I'm at .com lunch, and the reason I'm putting myself in the sun is because, well, if I don't go in the sun, it feels cold. When I'm in the sun, it feels warm. So, but it's not too warm. So once in a while, I would alternate between hot and then cool myself down, and then get a suntan again. Okay, it's too hot. I'm gonna stay in the shade. All right, this is the .com lunch, my usual number 17, and check this out. Adora the Explorer iced coffee. Yeah, I would have liked the Transformer, but I guess I'll just set it with Dora. Well, what did you get? Who?
Princess.
Oh, wow, you're a Disney princess. I'm glad I got Dora the Explorer now.
All
right. You're a vegetarian, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would explain that dish. That unappetizing. I don't know.
Vegetables.
Vegetable. Yeah. Okay. Holy crap, that looks good. I need to do a slow mo over that. Oscar showed up late, better late than never. But he did showed up with Ollie. There's Ollie there, training for American Ninja Warrior. There you go, future Ninja Warrior. That's right. And Oscar went for a burrito. So I came in like a corn in a corn burrito. And Sally made up a parody song for Despacito. We should actually make a parody for Despacito. Are you sure? We'll do it like I want a corn burrito from La Fajitas. We'll integrate them and then we'll sell it to La Fajitas.
Yeah, maybe we get paid for that.
And then maybe they'll give us free burritos for life.
That's the only time you get.
Hey Ali.
You could get like a duplicate. If you have email number 7.
Hey Ali, do you like the Tesla?
And you add another.
Do you like your mini Tesla Model S for kid?
7.
You do?
That one to
Oh.
number 8.
Doggy.
Yes. We'll get number 8, which is the same one.
Yeah, so Sally gave Ollie the Tesla Model S for kid. Is Ollie driving the Model S for kid, or is
yes?
He's driving it too.
Well, he's a little nervous with it, so.
All right, so as you know that YouTube's Adopolis recently they have new requirements for YouTubers trying to monetize their video. You need, what was it again? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time before you can monetize a video. Well, this site did a calculation on how many YouTubers that will affect. And it came to the conclusion that will wipe out 95% of all the YouTubers that are monetizing their videos on YouTube. Gone. So when I said this is gonna affect tens of thousands of YouTubers, I was wrong. This is going to affect millions of YouTubers, literally. So if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 hours of video views plus 10,000 views, you can't make money with YouTube. So, and that's 95% that's 95% of the YouTube population. So, yay! I guess that's it. I guess now this is an opportunity for Amazon to create Amazon Tube.
Facebook's gonna jump
or
in
Facebook. Maybe Facebook can create a Facebook tube, and so this is an opportunity for the competition to come in. Hey, maybe we can do a new startup. We'll have a YouTube clone or something. I'm sure we can go to China. There's a Chinese YouTube clone, isn't it? Youku? That's what's called. My wife told me I'm serious. My wife told me there is a YouTube clone in China called Youku, and it's almost as big as YouTube. Believe it or not, it is.
I know what you're talking about.
You seen it?
I think it's one of the share buttons.
But unfortunately, they only accept Chinese videos, so oh well. So, Oscar's battery died. Lucky I have my USB nitro power USB battery jumper. But thing is, Oscar, I received this from a company to test, and I did fully charge it, but it's been a while. So we'll see if hopefully it didn't discharge. Because remember, I showed this in a .com lunch a long time ago. Yeah,
you haven't charged it since?
I haven't charged it since.
That's over 1.5 years ago.
A year and a half? Well, let's hope it still let's hope it still works. All right. So anyway, this is a good demonstration. So
let's see if it works.
How does it actually work? So this is the battery. Is there a power meter on here? I think there is. So
maybe.
I think you hit this red button to see if there's any. Oh look! It has. Oh, it's got 4. Hey, all 4 lights went on.
All right. Let's see.
1.5 years I held a charge. If this thing works, I highly recommend you get it. Nitro power. This thing can not only supposedly jumpstart a car, but it can also power your your USB devices. All right, I'll hold on to it and we'll see if it starts.
That's it.
That's it. Well,
we'll give it a second or go for it.
No, go for it. Let's see if it works. Whoa! Wow! That's awesome! A year and a half I didn't charge this thing and it started the car.
That's awesome.
That's totally awesome. Yeah. Anyway, I believe it was $100 if you actually want to buy it. Or what's it? I can't remember.
I don't remember.
I can't remember what the
It was
price.
around
I'll look it up.
$100.
But I think it was $100. Yeah. This has been sitting in my Jag for the last year and a half, and I never recharged anything. And apparently, according to the light, it still got 4 bars, so it's still fully charged.
Finally got to use it.
Finally got to use it, so, and it works. Awesome.